Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Lenovo Thinkbook 14 Gen 8 series. This is the box of the unit, generation 8, 14 inches, Lenovo Thinkbook. This is the specification, Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 14 inches WUXGA screen, 3 cell battery. Let's unbox the unit. This is the box dimension. These are the things inside the box. User manual of Thinkbook 14. You can see Thinkbook 14 Gen 8 and the Thinkbook 16 Gen 8 also in this series. This is a power adapter and power cable, 3-pin type. This is a 65 watts power adapter. You can see 20 voltage, 3.25 ampere. Comes with the USB-C pin, and there is a one bag also inside, Lenovo original. This is the original bag of Lenovo. It's a standard size, 15.6 inches, but the laptop is 14 inches. So let's see the laptop first. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I need your support. I'm going to show you all the data sheet of this specification. It comes with the this is the unit, 14 inches, lightweight. It's around 1.36 kg. One hand we can lift this unit. This is a smooth touchpad. You can see Ultra 5 Intel graphic card, backlight keyboard, power button as well as fingerprint. It's a very smooth design. 180 degrees we can use this unit. This is the camera with the privacy shutter. These are the connection. Type C charging port and USB, HDMI, Thunderbolt, headphone jack, 2-in-1 combo and indicator, and 2 speaker backside. Other side you can see Kensington lock system, Ethernet port, USB and car reader. It's a aluminium body on top and bottom is a plastic body, this one bottom. These are the 2 speakers. WUXGA 1920 by 1200 IPS 300 nits. I'm going to show you now the data sheet of this unit. Here you can see this is a model Thinkbook 14 Gen 8, the model number, and this is a processor specification. You can see here, and AAPC category, AAPC, and these are the all technical details. Have a look. Intel graphic and memory specification. You can see this model comes with a 8GB DDR5-5600 speed. It has a 2 memory slot. You can use up to 64GB in this model, DDR5-5600, and comes with a 512GB M.2 NVMe 2242 size, Gen 4. And there are one more slot, extra slot is there, second 2280, same Gen 4 size. So 2 M.2 slot and 2 memory slot. Here you can see maximum storage support up to 2 TB each, and SD card reader, audio chip. You can see the specification, speaker, 2 speaker, and camera specification. You can see 1080p, and battery specification and power adapter. You can see, and this is the screen specification, WUXGA screen, 300 nits anti-glare, comes 60 Hz only. And remaining specification, have a look. Pen not support, so does not have any pen. Keyboard is a backlight. This is a, you can see, multi-touch, and this is the dimension of the unit and weight. You can see the case color gray, Arctic gray, aluminum on top and bottom is a plastic. And you can see Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. So there is no 3G, WW there is no 3G. And it's a 100 by 1000 M RJ45. These are the standard ports. Have a look. HDMI 2.1 up to 4K and on 60 Hz. And remaining specification, you can see the security is 5 TPM 2.0 enabled. These are the complete data sheet of this model. So one more time, have a look the unit. It's a good laptop for a small office user, business user. 14 inches touch screen. For traveling, for student you can use. Have a look of the finishing. It's a very smooth finishing. It's a very smooth touchpad. This is the body of design and keyboard design. You can see Copilot key here on keyboard. It's a very smooth keyboard also. This is the hinges, power button and indicator here. And the frame is very slim frame on side. It's not bulgy. Here you can see the mic, built-in mic also is there on camera. So this is the complete design of the unit. So let's switch on the unit now. USB-C connecting on PC. So let's switch on. Yeah, this is the display. You can see here smooth touchpad of this unit. 14 inches non-touch screen laptop, WUXGA screen, 14 inches. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. The price and all I'm going to mention on the description. Please check it out.